I know everybody feels it. When you seek to wield the very hand of God over others through a righteous indignation, it leads to destruction, and innocent people get hurt. I don't think any rational human being is indifferent to the death of children who are innocent. The story unfolds. The story unfolds, and we're right there. And it's just a horrific theater. And my heart goes out to all of these people. When this song was written, since we recorded, I've sang it in the name of so many different things. And it's always something ugly like this that pops up, and you just don't know what to do. I'm sorry for these people. Let's sing. My love is stronger than yours. It's stronger than yours. It's stronger than yours. My love is stronger than yours. Hate will never be. My faith is deeper than yours. It's deeper than yours. It's deeper than yours. My faith is deeper than yours. Doubt will never be. We move through the world like the shooting stars across the sky. Splitting through the darkness, putting it's louder than yours. It's louder than yours. My laughter is louder than yours. Shouting will ever be. And my dancing is better than yours. It's better than yours. It's better than yours. My dancing is better than yours. Marching will never be. We move through the world like the shooting stars across the sky. Splitting through the darkness, putting the light into their eyes. Oh. We move through the world like a shooting star across the sky. Splitting through the darkness, putting the light into their eyes. Oh, we move through the world like a shooting star across the sky. Splitting is stronger than yours. It's stronger than yours. It's stronger than yours. My love is stronger than